you ride? Not yet. Not yet, you mean? Hey, the man, you good? Yeah, man. Looking good, man.
I'm shining bright, got me feeling like I'm next up, feeling like I'm Curry, I'm balling on.
Welcome back to the channel, you guys. It's New Year's Day. I'm bringing you guys another good vlog. Hope everyone had a good night last night. I know I did. Anyway, guys, today it is a ride to the RUK New Year's meet. So we're gonna have a good mix. You know, we get the supercars, we get the bikes. That is what today is about. We're gonna do that. So we're gonna have some fun. Supercars, super bikes, all linking up in London to cause a bit of havoc. Really, it's just to spread good vibes. Really, just yeah, see some peeps about, see some tourists. They'll see the vehicles, they usually love it, make a little bit of noise within reason, and just have a bit of fun and good vibes. Anyway guys, hope you guys watched my last vids. Furthermore, I hope you can hear me actually, but yeah, my last vid, hopefully you guys watched that. One where I got this MOT and got the tyres done. I also did one where I got, top down, I like that. One where I did a review and unboxing of this new helmet. And what was the other one I did? Oh geez, I did a Christmas ride, 2 parts to it. Yeah guys, watch both of them, but obviously in one of the videos, the last one, for the one before the last, whatever it is, made the child's day. Like, he absolutely loved the bike, so yeah, check them out.
12 seconds later.
Pulling up to the famous spot right now to meet up with these lot. Hopefully, anyway, we shall see. Oh, it's so good I wore this jacket. First time I decided to wear this jacket for this, and it's so warm. Money well spent. It's weird because it literally perfectly matches my bike, but hey. And here we are. So we've got Nori's cars here, an old client of mine's car. Yeah. Tons of people. Where's Izzy in it? What's up, bro? Is that on the camera? Red, isn't it? God damn.
Dream bike.
Alright, thank you, my brother. Serious? Yeah. Oh man, it's a good bike, man.
Yeah, I love
Great bike. Serious. Damn, man, you gotta get one. Yeah. Did you ride?
No, I don't ride.
Not yet. Not yet, you mean? How old are you? Okay, so you can do A2, and then you'll get up to one of these. Bro, go for it, man. This is your dream bike. It's dirty though, I didn't wash it. I left it dirty, I didn't wash it at all. Completely dirty, but okay, when I ride on my bikes and cars, so I don't really care. Yeah. Come on, yeah. The nose? Oh, it's the fan, yeah, the fan. It gets warm. Very, very warm. But yeah. Filthy bike. It's dirty, but I ride it. Thank you. Happy New Year. What's going on? I couldn't wear a red suit today, so I had to just wear this. How you doing, man? You good?
Yeah, man.
Oh, bro, where'd you park the bike?
I just parked it over there. Can I park next to yours?
Yeah, bro, wherever, really.
You stay here. I'll come.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Ducati 899 Panigale, which is also like a very ideal bike.
Hold on, yeah. Let me see. Yeah, that top one there, bro. That's me. Whoa, I got a new camera, yeah?
Okay, this is me, just to let you know that, okay?
AFP Media. Yeah, sweet, bro. Cool. Love, bro. Nice to meet you, bro. And then, yeah, man, we'll chat anyway. You gotta get your bike, man.
Yeah,
that's your dream bike. You gotta get. This is my first bike I bought. First bike I bought it like.
How do you get from never ridden a bike before to 1000cc?
It was, you know what it is? When you got a dream and you set your goal, you just keep working towards it. You achieve it, man. Yeah. So like, I don't put limits on stuff like that. Yeah, I don't put limits on things, innit? If you work hard for it, no matter what you want, don't limit yourself, man. Go for the highest thing you can get, really. So. Hey, man, you good? Yeah, man. Looking good, bro. Yeah, man, why not? I'll see you in a minute. John! Is this John? Who's that, man? You good? My bro, happy New Year, bro. Yeah, bro, it's sweet. Hey, guys! How you doing, bro? Happy New Year. Yeah, bro. Ready to smash it again, yeah? Woo! I can't wait. I can't wait for this, bro. Can't wait for this. I gotta talk to you about projects, bro. Yeah, I got some stuff here. We gotta organize some stuff quick. Woo. Yeah. Alright. Let's go. Woo! Nearly shut down! You guys ain't ready for this. You guys are not ready for this, boy. Got the Ducati. Hell yeah. Yo! Woo! Damn, that's a thumbnail right there. That is a thumbnail right there. What else you got? F8. So let's go this way. Just causing all this ruckus. F8, my boy in his purse. Spider. Rad. Nori and the McLaren. Me, my bro. Yeah, bro. V4S, my bro. Yeah, man. Love, bro. Appreciate it. Hey, love, my bro. Yeah. Bro. No, bro. Yeah, you gotta do it, man. Do it. Bro, put it in the office, bro. Look at it every day. Just love it. Bro, I put it in my house. I've literally had it in my front room. Do it, my bro. Hell yeah, man. And you got the Italian car as well, man.
And I was looking at the text. I saw V4S Panigale.
Yeah. Jeez. Matty. S63. Yeah. Damn, boy. Got a serious lineup, boy. Serious lineup. Cause this car's doing the tricks, boy. That is sick. My tyres are not warm, so I am not doing any of that. I'm not even gonna pull this throttle. I already know. Mayhem. Absolute mayhem. Mayhem. Absolute mayhem. Alright, this is lit. Jeez, the booper. The booper.
Why would you call it a booper?
Because it's a BMW engine. Super booper. They're sick.
I thought you would call it Super W.
Super W. It literally is.
This is the main man. This is the main man.
Richard!